Hey folks, Mike Rowe here, ready to get my hands dirty in the fascinating world of butter production. Today we're diving deep into the heart of where your favorite kitchen staple is made. We all love butter, right? It's that creamy, delicious spread that makes everything taste better. From spreading it on toast, to using it in countless recipes, this golden goodness is a kitchen staple. Whether you're baking a cake, sautéing vegetables, or simply enjoying a warm piece of bread, butter is essential. But have you ever stopped to think about the journey it takes from simple milk to the delicious pat on your plate? It's a fascinating process that combines tradition with modern technology. Join me as we go behind the scenes at the world's largest butter factory and witness the magic unfold. We'll explore every step of the process, from the arrival of fresh milk to the final packaging of butter. We're talking massive machinery, intricate processes, and a whole lot of science, all working together to bring that creamy goodness to your table. The precision and care that go into making butter are truly remarkable. Get ready to be amazed by the sheer scale and efficiency of this butter-making behemoth. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the love for this timeless culinary staple. So let's get started and see how it's all done. Our journey begins on the farm, where dairy cows graze peacefully, providing the fresh, creamy milk that forms the foundation of our butter. These cows are well cared for, roaming freely in lush green pastures, which contributes to the high quality of the milk they produce. The serene environment ensures that the cows are healthy and happy, which is essential for producing the best milk. Tanker trucks, gleaming like stainless steel giants, arrive at farms, ready to collect the precious liquid. These trucks are a crucial part of the process, as they transport the milk from the farm to the factory. The collection process is efficient and swift, ensuring that the milk is handled with care and remains uncontaminated. These trucks, equipped with specialized tanks and temperature control systems, ensure that the milk remains fresh and cool during its journey to the factory. The temperature control is vital, as it prevents the milk from spoiling and maintains its quality. The tanks are designed to keep the milk at the perfect temperature, preserving its freshness. Upon arrival at the factory, the milk undergoes rigorous quality checks. This step is crucial to ensure that the milk meets the high standards required for butter production. The factory is equipped with state-of-the-art technology to handle the milk with precision and care. Technicians test for freshness, purity, and fat content, ensuring that only the highest quality milk makes the cut for butter production. These tests are thorough and meticulous, as they determine the suitability of the milk for the next stages of processing. The lab is a hub of activity, with experts working diligently to maintain quality. It's a fascinating blend of traditional farming and modern technology, all working together to deliver the best possible product. The harmony between age-old farming practices and cutting-edge technology ensures that the butter produced is of exceptional quality, embodying the best of both worlds. Once the milk gets the green light, it's time for the magic to begin. The milk is pumped into massive separators, towering machines that spin at incredible speeds. This centrifugal force separates the denser milk from the lighter cream, much like a washing machine spins water from clothes. The separated cream, now a rich velvety liquid, is collected and transferred to another section of the factory, ready for its transformation into butter. The remaining skim milk, still packed with nutrients, is used for other dairy products, ensuring that nothing goes to waste in this well-oiled operation. Now comes the fun part: churning. The cream is pumped into gigantic churns resembling stainless steel drums, where it's subjected to a vigorous churning process. Imagine a washing machine on overdrive, but instead of clothes, it's filled with gallons upon gallons of cream. As the churns rotate, the fat molecules within the cream collide and clump together, gradually forming tiny butter granules. The churning process requires precise timing and temperature control. Skilled operators carefully monitor the process, using their expertise to determine the perfect moment to stop the churning. Overchurning can result in tough, crumbly butter, while underchurning leaves the butter too soft and difficult to handle. Section 5. Washed and ready. Refining the texture. Once the churning is complete, the mixture, now a combination of butter granules and buttermilk, is carefully transferred to another set of specialized machines. Here, the butter is gently washed with cold water to remove any remaining buttermilk, which can affect its flavor and shelf life. After washing, the butter is kneaded, much like you would knead dough. This process removes excess water, distributes the salt evenly, if salted butter is being made, and creates that smooth, spreadable texture we all know and love. Section 6. Packaged to perfection, ensuring quality and safety. The final stage of the journey involves packaging the butter and ensuring its quality and safety. The freshly churned butter, now a beautiful uniform yellow, is cut and wrapped by automated machines with incredible precision. Each package is sealed airtight to preserve freshness and prevent contamination. Before leaving the factory, every batch of butter undergoes rigorous quality control checks. Technicians inspect the packaging, label accuracy, and even conduct taste tests to ensure that only the highest quality butter reaches consumers. It's a testament to the factory's commitment to delivering a product that meets the highest standards of excellence. Section 7. Technology's triumph, modern butter production. The sheer scale and efficiency of this butter factory are a testament to the power of modern technology. From the automated separators and churns to the sophisticated packaging machines, every step of the process is designed to optimize production while maintaining the highest standards of hygiene and quality control. The factory operates 24/7, producing an astounding amount of butter every single day. It's a far cry from the days of hand churning, showcasing how technology has revolutionized food production, making it possible to provide high-quality products to consumers worldwide. Section 8. The future of butter. Butter, a staple in kitchens around the world, has a rich history and an even more promising future. As we've seen, the journey from milk to butter is a fascinating blend of tradition, science, and technology. From the age-old methods of churning by hand to the sophisticated machinery of today, each step is a testament to human ingenuity and our quest for perfection. And while the process has evolved significantly over the years, one thing remains constant: our love for this creamy, delicious staple. Butter has found its way into countless recipes, enhancing flavors and adding richness to our meals. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovation in the butter industry, with new flavors, spreads, and perhaps even more efficient production methods. Imagine a future where butter is not only healthier, but also more sustainable, with eco-friendly packaging and reduced carbon footprints. But one thing's for sure: no matter how advanced the technology becomes, the simple pleasure of spreading a pat of freshly churned butter on a warm slice of bread will always remain a timeless culinary delight. This humble act connects us to generations past and future, a small but significant ritual in our daily lives. So next time you enjoy a bite of that buttery goodness, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took to get to your plate. From the farm to the factory and finally to your table, butter's journey is a remarkable story of tradition, innovation, and pure enjoyment.